So what I would recommend to do this is to loosen up the air box here. So there's 3 little screws that hold it, you know, down. 1, 2, and then the third one's right down here in the middle. And that way you have a little flexibility, because the black flexible tubes, they're OEM ones, can come out easily without, you know, having to move the box. But the row smooth tubes that are hard have a little bit harder time to get in there. So instead of just, you know, trying to force things, I said, you know, just loosen this up and you'll have some more room. So I recommend that. So the throttle body side of the coupler has this little expansion. That's gonna fit right inside this coupler. So they did that so that it's, you know, snug fit. You gotta have it sealed, so all the air it's taken in is coming through the air filter. So it takes a little persuasion. In the directions it says you can use glass cleaner or some kind of lubricant to help get this on. I might have to do that, get some silicone or something, but actually no, I got it on. All right, cool. So I got the back coupler on. Make sure I get the clamps on before I put my hose, but yeah, so that back one is on, good to go. All right, so I kind of made some good progress here. So like I said, the easiest way I found to put these in is just take the thumb screws out to hold on the airbox, the 1, 2, and 3. That way, you know, you have some sort of movement here. You know, I undid this vacuum tube and the one over there so that I can really move it back. So I got the couplings on the throttle body and the airbox. Haven't tightened down the tube yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and just slide the airbox in, get these tubes hooked up to the throttle bodies, and then tighten the clamps down, and that should be it. Got everything buttoned back up. Again, just tighten up the clamps. Tubes are about as straight as I can get them. So it's fired up and see how it sounds. I'm gonna start it up. You'll hear the intake noise. I'll give it a couple revs. Sounds way better with the smooth tubes and K&N intakes. The intake noise is definitely noticeable at idle, and then when you gas it, you hear this. Actually, it sounds like a hiss sound. So let's see what it sounds like. I wish I would have had a before and after, but I mean, hopefully the microphone's picking that up. That is just way louder. The intake noise is way louder with those K&N intakes and the smooth tube. Let's see if we can get some revs. See if we can pick up that sound.